In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. Connecting these two tools is a great way to keep your documents, spreadsheets, and slides easily accessible right inside your Notion workspace. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening Notion on your computer. Look at the top left corner of the app, just above your list of pages. You should see your profile icon there. This might be a small photo, an initial, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open your account menu. When the menu appears, you'll see several options related to your account and workspace. From here, click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a new panel or window where you can manage everything related to your Notion account, including integrations. Inside the settings area, look for a section called Connections. This is where Notion lets you link external apps and services. Click on Connections to open that section. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll a bit in the sidebar until it appears. Once you're in the Connections section, find and click on Browse Connections in Gallery. This will take you to Notion's integration gallery, which is basically a library of all the apps you can connect with Notion. This is where we're going to search for Google Drive. In the gallery, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click in the search bar and type the word Drive. As you type, Notion will start filtering the available integrations. You should soon see Google Drive appear in the results list. When you see the Google Drive integration tile, click on it to open its details page. Here, you can read a short description of what the integration does, but the main thing you're looking for is the button that lets you connect it to your workspace. On the Google Drive integration page, click the button that says Add to Notion. This will start the process of linking your Google account with Notion. You may be prompted to sign into your Google account and grant permissions, so just follow the on-screen instructions and allow access. Once that's done, your Notion workspace will be connected to Google Drive, and you'll be able to embed and access your Drive files directly inside Notion pages.